Every single day, this factory turns mountains of watermelons into millions of liters of juice. Here's exactly how it happens.
From raw fruit to bottled gold, this is the untold journey of watermelon juice.
Millions of bottles. One incredible process. Let's go inside.
It all begins in the fields, where thousands of watermelons ripen under the sun. Only the ripest, sweetest fruits are selected for harvest.
Tons of watermelons are loaded onto trucks, ready for their journey to the factory.
Every morning, convoys of trucks arrive from farms across the region.
The factory receives shipments non-stop, all day long.
Automated ramps gently unload the fruit, preventing damage or bruising.
Before processing, the fruit is stored in massive climate-controlled warehouses. First, every watermelon is washed thoroughly to remove dirt and bacteria. Rotating brushes scrub each fruit clean, ensuring perfect hygiene.
A final rinse with purified water completes the cleaning stage.
Air dryers remove excess moisture before the fruit moves forward. Trained inspectors check every single fruit for ripeness and quality. Smart optical sensors analyze thousands of watermelons per hour. Fruits are automatically sorted by size and sweetness level.
Any fruit that doesn't meet standards is removed immediately.
Only the best watermelons continue on to the cutting stage. Thousands of fruits are processed every single hour. Powerful blades slice each watermelon cleanly in half.
Inside, the bright red flesh is revealed, packed with juice.
Automatic scoopers separate the juicy flesh from the tough rind.
Nothing goes to waste. The leftover rinds are recycled into compost and animal feed.
Tons of watermelon flesh are collected, ready for extraction. The flesh is fed into powerful crushers to extract every drop of juice.
Fresh watermelon juice flows out in a steady red stream. A hydraulic press extracts the final drops of juice from the pulp. The leftover pulp is separated and repurposed, keeping the process sustainable.
Thousands of liters of raw juice collect in giant holding tanks. Next, the juice passes through fine filters to remove seeds and fiber. Every seed and unwanted particle is carefully filtered out. High-speed centrifuges spin out any remaining fine particles. What remains is pure, smooth watermelon juice. Quality control tests every batch for sweetness, acidity, and purity. The juice is rapidly heated to eliminate any harmful bacteria.
Precise heat control ensures the juice is completely safe to drink.
It's then rapidly cooled to lock in the fresh, natural flavor. The pasteurized juice is stored in sterile silos, ready for the next stage. Every stage of production is tracked in real time from the control room. A touch of natural vitamin C is added to preserve freshness. Gentle mixing ensures a perfectly consistent taste in every bottle. One final quality check, and the juice is approved for bottling. The juice now begins its final journey, straight to the bottling line. Thousands of bottles per hour move through the automated filling line. Precision nozzles fill each bottle with the exact amount of juice.
Bottles are sealed and labeled, ready for the world to enjoy.
A final automated scan ensures every single bottle is perfect. Packed and palletized, the juice is now ready for shipping. From a single field of watermelons to millions of bottles enjoyed around the world, this is the incredible process behind every sip.